All right, everybody, BMW of Corpus Christi again. We're going to go over some neat features as far as for the camera view. Once again with Mr. Conley.
Hey, everyone.
And he will be your instructor for the evening, going over these features.
All right, let me take it away here. So we're going to go ahead and hit our parking assistance button here. It's going to bring up our parking display. If I pull my menu from the left here, you're going to see a few options. First one I'll go ahead and do is hit 3D view. This allows you to get a 3D view of your car. You can use gesture control from a camera just above, and I'll put my hand like here, and I can move the vehicle and look at any surrounding obstacles or anything that I really want to see around the car in a 3D view. Coming back to our menu, I'm going to go ahead and hit the trailer hitch. So you can align the trailer hitch and get things all set up really easily. It's super simple. Again, back to the menu. Car wash view when you're pulling in and maybe the wheel bristles or any of the little obstacles in the car wash that can give you trouble. You can get a good view and make sure you don't hit anything. So a lot of valuable, useful tools here to use in the new iDrive 7.
And I would say one of the most important is that Chris didn't point out, to actually show you where your doors will open there and see if you're going to ding the person right next to you. Obviously, that's not the most important, but it is to me.
It's important.
So once again, much of the cool functions on the new iDrive system on the BMW.